corner's charm makes me wanna fly. Walking regal in Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more. As the city opens its door, dodging alleys left and right, every turn's a treasure, a pure delight. From dim sum here to Macau there, the beauty and the flavors, an endless affair. Walking regal in Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more. As the city opens its door, in this mosaic of wonder, I take it all in stride. Every step an experience, with pride I glide. Through the heart of Taipa, my spirit soars high. In the embrace of Regedor, I touch the sky. Walking regal in Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more. As the city opens its door, opens its door.
Okay, so we're in Taipa Village. I'm going to show you a few things. One is, this is going to be our target street. Two, it's also near Chinese New Year. I'm going to show you some lanterns down this way and what they were doing to put them up. I have some old footage of that. I'll explain that later. And before we even start, just so you know, the train station is right here, Paycoke, and then Galaxy Casino is right there. So this is a popular place to come in from the casinos. They walk across here and they can go over that busy road and then go right into Taipa Village. And this is one of the entrances right here. So we're gonna go right down that way and show you what the street looks like and talk about those red poles and also see how it changes over time. So stay tuned. Macau, up on the map, Regedor Street, around Chinese New Year. And this is actually kind of interesting because I'm gonna have a video where I'll show you the red posts when they were put in. So I'm gonna slice something from the past and put it in the new. I think I explained a little bit in the video, but thought I'd just kind of let you know that it's. But anyways, this is kind of a main street with all the restaurants and kind of I guess it'd be maybe the main street of Taipa Village. I guess probably, yeah. Depends on how you define that. It's definitely one of the longest. Okay. Anyways, let's get into the walk and talk where I'm gonna go up or down, one way down this street called Regedor, Taipa Village, Macau. So yep, that's our focus, that street right there. This is just kind of a Paycoke. You can see all the traffic all the way around. And then the Galaxy, believe it or not, this used to be a little fish market a long time ago, and the ocean would have been right here, and they reclaimed all that land, and that's where all the land came from, all those big casinos. Little wells right here. They talk about these in here. They'll explain it. I'm gonna just go down, focus on our street, and then this is probably where the not probably, but it definitely was where they would sell fish and everything like that. Yeah, it's actually really nice. Okay. And then we're gonna go down, there's a giant rock right there. We're gonna go down our target street. I don't know the history of that rock, but there's some other rocks too. But actually this used to be ocean, so this would have been where the ocean would have been. So that particular rock and another rock that is in the street down here were probably there before all the reclaimed land and everything when this was a rocky shore. Okay, so we're gonna go down. We're on a street called Regedor. This is the Italian restaurant. We have a row of restaurants right here. And this is our street right here, Regedor. I think I looked up Regedor. I think it means like, better not guess. When I build the videos later, I usually, here's a Spanish restaurant right here, Don Quixote. So we're going to show you all the different restaurants. Here's a fish one. Bank. Then we got the Frangi grill. I think that one's like maybe Macau style. Yeah, it is. Litoral is the Portuguese one. That one's kind of a well-known one. There's another one on the Macau side as well. We're on the Taipa side, people that don't know. This is Chinese school to the right in the yellow building. We're gonna walk all the way down. And I'm gonna show you those red lanterns in a moment, so stay tuned for that. Right now we're gonna be walking by a fish restaurant. This is really popular with mainland tourists, and there's long lines for fresh fish. So Macau is blessed with the ocean, so a lot of people who come from inland in the mainland will want to have fresh fish since they're near the ocean, and they can get it in that restaurant we walked by. Here's Macau style one, and these are like old style, really nice decorations. Michelin guide. Here's a gelato one. This is always crowded too. Let's see. It's a gelato. Hello. Okay, let me just kind of show you a few things. So this is Taipa Village. This is where we're coming down. This one. You can see the Galaxy Casino in the distance. This is a little square right here, and then that one is kind of the Taipa Village area, that direction. So if you were to go down that street, you'd be down on one side, and then this is the other side. So we're gonna walk down the left side. Then I'm also gonna talk about these red posts right here. I'm gonna show you a few more, and then I'm gonna talk about it. So I'll just show you that one real quick. But I have another video where I was walking down this same street, and I'm going to put that footage in here with a different date from last year actually, and I'll show these being put in. And at the time I thought they might be a permanent thing, but I guess they just put them in for the Chinese New Year. And we're gonna go around here real quick. This is a space where a lot of people will take pictures of the Macau sign. Right there, the Escalon. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Here's another one of those little types of stores here too. So you can sit outside, and you can also go inside too. Chadong, Macau Chadong, right there. So you can get stuff that's kind of unique to Macau. I think Hong Kong has a lot of stuff like this too. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. And I think I'm gonna show you the image of these red posts at the end of the video. Oh, I'll find a spot. Down here is Taipa Village. I mean, the square within Taipa Village. So. And here's one of these posts right here. So I think what I'm going to do, the flower. Then you have the Chinese lantern right there too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it, and then we're going to show these old videos. You'll see the date that's going to change in the bottom left corner. So stay tuned for that. This is kind of cool because they're putting this up right here. So we're going to be going down the street in a little bit. And I don't know if they were here or not before, but they're here now. But this is going to be, I'm going to film this today right now quickly, but I'm going to do the whole street later on. So we're just going to walk down it real quick and just kind of show you what they're doing. So they got these red ones all the way down. And I guess it's going to be some kind of new thing for Taipa. It's kind of cool. They're just kind of setting them up right now so you can see the steak in it. And you got more all the way down as well, so let's just take a look at one more. So yeah, they're going all the way up and down. So I think they drilled a hole into it, put the stakes in it to ground it, and then they're going to try to do something else with it. So we'll see what it looks like I'm filming it today on June 27, but I probably won't film the street until another day. But I just wanted to capture this while I'm here. So nonetheless, busy day today. So they're building the holes right there. And then yeah, that's where they're doing all the work right here. So pretty cool. Okay, so now you're able to see that. So that was actually them installing these. So now you kind of have an idea. And they are temporary, they're not always there. There's also a lot of stuff going on over there too. This construction right there. So I think this whole area is going to have a facelift from that right there. I think I'm going to do another video where I'm going to walk on the other side of this, called St. Joe's. Oh, this keeps building. That pink one over there keeps changing too. So we're going to definitely capture that. Let's try to meander through here a little bit. Yeah, that's going to be totally different. So probably next time I come, this will be a completely different space. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. Cafe Taipa. This is well known. Okay. So we're going to keep on going down. And I think I'm going to try to go across the street if I can. Go on that side. Okay. So now we're on this side. Got all these little alleys. These little alleys are in the Taipa village. And I wanted to come over here because this is a little plaza here. You can also get pizza. There's like a Madeira Portuguese one right here and a pizza place right there. Then you can see all the buildings over to the other side. And then this also goes in the Taipa village too. Some nice beautiful artwork. So yeah, if you meander into there, which I do in lots of other videos, you'll see but for now, we'll just keep on going. Massage. Better be careful of the camera in that massage shop. Okay. So we'll keep on going down. Got some music that might affect the video. The Taipa village down that way. But we're gonna keep focused. I think Regedor, I think it's gonna end right here, or it might, I think if you keep going down, I think it changes into another street called Bomberos. So what we're gonna do is just end it by going around the corner and kind of looking into Kunyagai, which is kind of like a food street. Over there is Taipa Central, the downtown. This is the typhoon stuff. So we get typhoon, so if it says that you gotta get a storm surge of 2.5 meters, it's gonna be over your head. And then they put these signs up so everybody knows. And now we got a ton of people. So that's Regedor right there, and then you can see Bomberos. So we officially left Regedor. We're in this big Bomberos, and I'm gonna just go into this a little bit, and I'm gonna end the video shortly. But I just want to show you that we're on the periphery part, and then if we kept going, you go right into this area called Kunigai. And this area is very popular with tourists and a little bit hard to navigate. So I think I'm gonna go down, we'll turn this way. And then now I'm gonna just kind of show you that, you know, if you move around a little bit, you get into Taipa village. And then we're just gonna keep on, we're gonna meander a little bit like this. And the reason I'm doing this is just to show you that, you know, Taipa village is this quaint little area, no cars can go through, all these little alleys everywhere, little plazas, small plazas, but plazas nonetheless. And you can navigate them and come into all kinds of cool stuff, like this. Okay. On that note, we're going to end the video. Okay. So hopefully that was kind of interesting. And that was Regedor, which is kind of the periphery of Taipa village. And then you can just keep exploring into all these little alleys everywhere. And on that note, we're going to end our video shortly. So you can kind of see how that works. Okay. So we're going to end this video.
With restaurants galore, my heart soaring high. Every corner's charm makes me wanna fly. Walking Macau and Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more, as the city opens its door.